Experiencing a frozen or stuck brush head on your Oral-B electric toothbrush is a common issue that affects many users, especially with newer models after 3 to 6 months of regular use. The brush head becomes stuck to the handle and cannot be removed normally, creating frustration for users who need to replace their brush heads regularly. Several factors contribute to frozen brush heads. The primary causes include toothpaste residue buildup in the connection mechanism, mineral deposits from hard water, worn or damaged O-rings and seals, corrosion of metal components, and temperature fluctuations causing expansion and contraction. Fortunately, there are 3 proven methods to address frozen brush heads, each with different success rates, depending on the severity of the issue. The first method is the warm water soak. Remove your toothbrush from the charger, then soak the brush head connection area in warm, not hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. While soaking, gently wiggle the brush head while pulling straight up. This method has a 70% success rate for recent freezing incidents. The second method uses penetrating oil. Apply food-safe penetrating oil, such as 3-in-1 oil, to the connection points. Allow 30 minutes for the oil to penetrate, then use a gentle twisting motion while pulling. Clean thoroughly before use. This method has an 85% success rate for moderate cases. The third method is thermal cycling. Alternate between warm water for 5 minutes and room temperature for 5 minutes. Repeat this cycle 3 to 4 times, attempting removal after each warm cycle. This method is particularly effective for temperature-related expansion issues. These 3 methods provide effective solutions for frozen Oral-B brush heads, with success rates ranging from 70 to 85%, depending on the severity and cause of the freezing. Most users can resolve their frozen brush head issues using these simple techniques before needing to consider replacement or professional assistance. For stubborn frozen brush heads that resist basic methods, ultrasonic cleaning provides a powerful solution. This professional-grade approach breaks down microscopic debris in connection areas. Prevention is the most effective approach. Daily maintenance takes just seconds, but dramatically reduces freezing incidents. After each use, rinse both the brush head and handle connection thoroughly. Weekly deep cleaning prevents mineral buildup and bacterial growth. Remove the brush head completely and clean connection points with a soft brush and antibacterial mouthwash. Monthly maintenance involves soaking removable components in denture cleaning solution or white vinegar to dissolve mineral deposits. This is especially important in hard water areas. Oral-B has implemented significant design improvements in newer models. Enhanced corrosion-resistant coatings, better drainage channels, and improved seal designs reduce freezing incidents by up to 85%. If preventive maintenance and troubleshooting methods fail, professional help is available. Contact Oral-B customer service for warranty replacement or consider professional repair services for premium models.